We're going to have a beam raising. Yep, it's for the new science building here at Clayton State. Now, if I can just get in a little better position. Yes, I signed the beam. It's over on the right-hand side. On the other side of this, who knows where it'll end up on the building. All right, let's see if they got a balance. Yeah, a balanced beam. Very good. We got quite a turnout here to watch this. Good number of folks here on September 12th, 2014. And there they go. It's going to be a little bit of a rough ride. They have to go over some gravel. But I think they'll do just fine. I hope. Crane operator is getting the crane into position. He's going to pick the beam up. And I'm not allowed in there, but I can zoom. As the beam awaits its ride into the air. The crane operator is pretty quick, but you see all the other stuff they've already put up. Yeah, I imagine they had to work pretty fast. And there it goes. Checking for balance. Looks pretty good so far. Making sure, I guess. $7:30. And there we go. Everybody applauds. I think it's pretty cool. Wow, it's got to take a lot of skill. Can I zoom good enough to get the signatures and stuff from that high? Maybe. Good. Wow. That sure looks tricky. Amazing.
They wanted to put time to build it, time to be What? Really? No place?
He's probably wondering, who has such awful handwriting? Yep, it's me.
Yeah, you do have the police would have engaged. Here you are, just in the middle age one. That's close from your home, but you get it.
It'll be fun to watch this later on. I can see what they're doing. It's hard to see on the viewfinder. It looks really good. I'm going to back off now so you can see just where it is on the building. So it's right there at the northwest corner. So we'll see what this looks like a few months later. Maybe I can remember where I'm standing, get an after shot. Visual cues for me. Yeah, we're supposed to have barbecue today. That ought to be pretty fun. So we'll let them finish putting in all the bolts. And I will say goodbye for now. And congratulate everyone involved. So long till next time.